In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to open transcripts for videos you're watching on YouTube. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, for you to be able to see a transcript for a video, that video needs to have either auto-generated subtitles and captions or manually added subtitles and captions. Now that we have that out of the way, this is how we used to actually show the transcript previously. Now, you'd need to click on these three dots just below your video and you'd see it here, but that's not available. It was moved and it was moved into the description area. So you'll need to scroll down and inside the description, there's this small option. I'll click on it and from that, I'll scroll down until I see transcript. Follow along using the transcript. Click on show transcript. And once I do that, it's going to populate on the right sidebar of the YouTube page. It's available for us to either click or actually just click on it. And it's going to jump. My name is David. And it's going to jump to that particular section that you've clicked. If I click it again, it's going to jump to that particular section and so on and so forth. If I click on somewhere here, it goes to that particular section. It's good for navigating or just skimming through a video. Now, this is a transcript that has timestamps on. What if you don't want timestamps? All you need to do is just click on these three vertical dots. If I click on them, you can toggle timestamps off or you can have them back on. Now, you'll notice that it has English auto-generated. If I had uploaded subtitles and captions for this particular video, then you'd see any other language available right inside here. So if you've been wondering where the show transcript or open transcript option, or probably it's not working, then that is where it was moved. But if a video does not have auto-generated or manually added subtitles or captions, the show transcript option will not be available. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.